Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guidelines. If you're using TikTok and your TikTok account has been banned and now you want to unban your TikTok account, so let's see how can you easily do that. You have to simply open up your browser, it might be your Chrome or Safari, and here you just have to simply search for unban TikTok account. So you have to simply search for this. Here's the unbanned TikTok account, and here you have to open the first website. And once you have that, you just have to scroll down to end, and you will get an option of report a problem on TikTok. Simply tap on it, and here you just have to scroll down again and look for online reporting from. So you simply tap on this option, and once you have opened the page, here you just have to enter the required statements. Here you can see there's a topic, so you must have to select account access or security, and here there's a category. Select a category. I'm going to select banned account, and here you just have to scroll down and you have to select unable to appeal through the app. So if you just have to follow these steps to send an appeal to your TikTok, or if you are unable to appeal, so you must have to select this option, and here you have to enter these statements. Here's the username, and here's the email, and you have to enter some additional details. So once you have that, you just have to select the upload option, and once you have selected, you have to agree to these also, then select the submit option. You have to and add some images or screenshots here. Simply select the uploading option, and once you have completed this form, you have to tap on submit, and your form will be submitted, and you will get the result after 1 or 24 hours, and your account will be unbanned. So in this way you can easily unban your TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.